Chicken coop number 5. The chickens are in. Everything's on the go. But they gotta stay indoor to acclimate themselves, because they were called, those were, what they call, cage chickens. So they're kind of freaked out from all the freedom, eh? So they don't understand it. So they gotta get used to the inside of the chicken coop. And besides that, one of my cousins that lives over there, he lost 6 chickens. He assumes it's a fox. There are a couple of foxes around. And my chickens. Right here. There's my chickens there. Here, throw a little light on the situation. There's that curtain there. And put it up with the light. A little nervous, a little freaked out there to kind of go in the corner. They got here yesterday. Oh, look at this. We got one sitting there. See if she gave us an egg. We're going to check her out after. Yeah, pretty cool looking rooster, eh? Look at that rooster. Yeah. There's 12 chickens, and there's these perches. I wonder what she's up to. Is she gonna get mad if I reach for the egg? Is there an egg there, sweetheart? No, no egg there. She's all cozy. No eggs in there either. There was one here earlier. So things are pretty cool, man. It's happening. Yeah. Look out, guys. I want to see in the corner and see if there's any eggs. No eggs. Okay. And this is what's happening with the girls. It looks like they're picking at stuff there. Look out, girls. Yep. There we go. This is what they call scratch. Check this out. Watch how stupid these chickens are. Whoops. Yeah. Throw some scratch. They don't even come running for it. They don't realize it's food. Yeah, come on, there you go. So this is it, man. There we go. I figure if I come feed them every day, they're gonna start liking me. We got an egg.